Welcome back to Guitar Theory Modules. This is Module 44, and we're on pages 115 and 116. In this module, I'm going to show you minor 7 flat 5 chords, also known as half-diminished chords. The minor 7 flat 5 chord is notated M-I-N, 7, and a flat sign, and a 5. This is also known as a half-diminished chord. Half-diminished chords are notated with the diminished sign, the little degree, with a slash going through it. In my books, I like to use the minor 7 flat 5 marking. The bottom three notes of a minor 7 flat 5 chord form a diminished triad, and the seventh of a minor 7 flat 5 chord is a minor seventh above the root of the chord. Here's a C minor 7 flat 5 chord. The bottom three notes of this chord form a C diminished triad. That'll be C, E flat, and G flat. And the seventh of this chord is a minor seventh above the root. The root is C, minor seventh above that is B flat. Stack them all together, you have C, E flat, G flat, B flat, or C minor 7 flat 5. There are two steps for constructing a minor 7 flat 5 chord. Step 1 is to write a diminished triad. Step 2 is to write a minor seventh above the root of the chord. So let's say we want to write a D minor 7 flat 5 chord. First thing you do is write a D diminished triad. That'll be D, F, and A flat. Next we add a minor seventh above the root of the chord. A minor seventh above D, which is the root, is C. Stack them all up, you have D, F, A flat, and C, or D minor 7 flat 5. Remember that minor sevenths and major seconds are inversions of each other, so a really easy way to find that minor seventh above the root is to take the root, raise it an octave, and then take that note, lower it a whole step, or a major second, and you have your minor seventh above the root. At the bottom of page 116, we have this minor 7 flat 5 exercise. Your job is to construct these minor 7 flat 5 chords using those two steps we just talked about. First, write a diminished triad, and then add a minor seventh above the root of the chord. If you have a copy of Guitar Theory Modules, you can write your answers right there in the book and check your work on page 223. And your chords may appear in a different octave than mine, and that's okay. If you don't have a copy of Guitar Theory Modules, you're going to need some manuscript paper to write on. I have some free manuscript paper you can download from my website, and I'll leave a link in the description. I'm going to go over the answers now, so pause the video, write your answers, start the video, and check your work. Number 1, A minor 7 flat 5. First, construct an A diminished triad. That's going to be A, C, E flat. Then we add a minor seventh above the root of the chord. The root of the chord, of course, is A. Minor seventh above that is G. Stack them all up. You have A, C, E flat, and G. A minor 7 flat 5. Number 2, F sharp minor 7 flat 5. First, construct an F sharp diminished triad. That's going to be F sharp, A, and C. Then we add a minor seventh above the root of the chord. The root of the chord is F sharp. Minor seventh above that is E. Stack them all up. We have F sharp, A, C, E. F sharp minor 7 flat 5. Number 3, B minor 7 flat 5. First, construct a B diminished triad. That's going to be B, D, and F. After that, we add a minor seventh above the root of the chord. The root of the chord is B. A minor seventh above that is A. Stack them all up. You have B, D, F, A. B minor 7 flat 5. Number 4, D minor 7 flat 5. First, construct a D diminished triad. That's going to be D, F, A flat. After that, we add a minor seventh above the root of the chord. The root is D. Minor seventh above that is C. Stack them all up, you have D, F, A flat, and C. D minor 7, flat 5. Number 5, G sharp minor 7, flat 5. First construct a G sharp diminished triad. That's going to be G sharp, B, and D. Then we add a minor 7th above the root of the chord. The root of the chord is G sharp. Minor 7th above that is F sharp. Stack them all up. We have G sharp, B, D, F sharp. G sharp minor 7, flat 5. Number 6, G minor 7, flat 5. So construct a G diminished triad. G, B flat, D flat. Then we add a minor 7th above the root of the chord. The root of the chord is G. Minor 7th above that is F. Stack them all up and we have G, B flat, D flat, F. G minor 7, flat 5. Number 7, C sharp minor 7, flat 5. First construct a C sharp diminished triad. That's going to be C sharp, E, and G. Then we add a minor 7th above the root of the chord. The root of the chord, of course, is C sharp. Minor 7th above that is B. Stack them all up. We have C sharp, E, G, B. C sharp minor 7, flat 5. And number 8, E minor 7, flat 5. First construct an E diminished triad. That's going to be E, G, and B flat. Then we add a minor 7th above the root of the chord. The root is E. A minor 7th above E is D. Stack them all up. We have E, G, B flat, and D. E minor 7, flat 5. Your assignment for this module is to look for minor 7 flat 5 chords or half-diminished chords in your music and to practice writing minor 7 flat 5 chords as we just did in the exercise. So download that free manuscript paper from my website and print as much as you need. Don't forget to check out my book, Guitar Theory Modules. Of course, you can watch all these videos for free, but if you have a copy of Guitar Theory Modules, you'll have all this information in one place. It's going to be a lot easier to follow along. So I'll leave a link for that in the description. Take your time with this module, and when you're ready, I'll see you in Module 45, where I'm going to show you how to play minor 7 flat 5 arpeggios.